Hey, good morning to all you wonderful people. I'm over here in Tanjung Lompat. Gonna be on Ah Chiu's boat over there. Right now they're doing some prep work, and once he's all done, he'll be off. I'll beat you guys on the water. Okay guys, we're on the boat. Check it out. We're all loaded up and ready to go. There you go. Yeah, I got one. Hey, Salah. You guys check it out. First fish of the day. Nice chubby Salah. Yosh. Oh, this one big. Slow and steady.
I know you can do it. Wow, dah naik.
Ebek ah.
Apa? Cermin. Ebek.
Ni depan ni.
Net.
Slow.
Net.
Ada, sabar. Ni ada, sabar. Ini ada, tunggu.
Slow.
Yeah. Nice one.
Power, bro.
Woo! He is on the feed Sloworx 65R and the Conquest 201, bouncing a Crusader 10 65 gram along the bottom.
Okay. Payung.
Hah?
Payung.
Ada tu sana. Ni. Oh.
Yosh! 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 Yes.
Mancing kat belakang betul.
Okay. Gosh. Okay guys, check it out. Nice grouper here in Crusader 10. Yosh. Woi.
Dia lagi ya.
Whoa.
Có món à?
Nampak. Cermin. Ebek.
Tahu nama dia?
Wow.
Oh, ni besar ni.
Wow.
Oh, dia punya besar.
Alhamdulillah.
Selamat tu cermin.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo. Don't know. Micro jig. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow.
Kawan, ikut.
Wow, 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 wow. Yosh.
Main mancing. Wah, ada lagi panjang lagi. Lama tu semua.
PE 0.6. Yeah, yeah. Not micro, 28 grams. Wow.
Dia mah masuk YouTube, saya mah masuk iPhone-nya.
What off rod you using, bro?
Sorry?
What off rod you using?
Using the Shimano Grappler
Okay, there's no.
LJ660 Stradic C2000S.
Mainline.
Mainline PE 0.6 Shimano BB braid. Leader. Wow, 15 pounds.
Wow, leader 50 pound, bro.
Yeah, yeah. It's getting close to the boat now. Not yet.
Oh, purple color with lipstick.
Shaking.
Oh,
Woohoo!
jangan raya punya. Tentu lalu dia tak.
Oh,
Ebek ni.
Ebek.
Ebek, tarik aja.
Okay.
Ebek.
Dia naik ke dalam air lah.
Dia dah penat.
Confirm penat lah.
Wow.
Dia lagi
Tengok tu. Lai, dia sedang marik.
Wah.
Okay, stand by. Oh, power.
Stop yang Ebek ni lah ni. Ni kena pakai apa? Dulu ah.
Wow.
Yes, power.
Guys, check it out. A nice Cermin Ebek. I am the Grappler S660 with the Stradic C2000S. Check it out. Oh shit.
Oh, kumpul. Ni nak kita nak bagi baju.